It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I gotta go to work. It's about 70 degrees. It's supposed to be 105 degrees today. Really hot. This is Mason. This is our neighbor cat. He comes over and I give him free stuff. Anyway, I've had a setback and I want to point it out. It's just going to take me more time. It's nothing big, it's just annoying. Anyway, I have the fluid comes in right here, over here, and goes into this bottom sealed chamber. Then it comes out this 45 degree I don't know, plug or whatever, and goes to the top chamber right here, and then it comes out through here and goes to the radiator. Well, when I get up every morning, I always look and see if there's a spot of radiator fluid on the ground, and I've had all kinds of leaks, which is not real good. But then again, you know, that's the fun of working on them, I guess. You have to be patient. A person has to be. So I took this top piece off here. This is radiator, or this is washing machine hose or whatever. It doesn't work that well for this. I need to find some foreign rubber, but Grant, I can't find that page on that Scooter's Swap Shop that has this. If I could, it'd be great. Anyway, what happened was this right down here started to leak. I'm going, oh great, this is one reason I hate these angle deals, because once you get them all put in the motor, you've got to have a real lot of swing space for it to work. So I had to take off the carburetor, I have to take off the intake, I have to, and the intake is taken off with just a simple, what the hell is it? My intake here was taken off with this wrench, so it took me a while to do. And like I said in the last video, I know that this intake right here will, or the reed cage, what it is, it's a reed cage right here. The reed cage is right here, I'm sorry. This is the reed. And what I have to do to make my big 33 millimeter Sudco fit is, this is the adapter, and it will not fit on this type of intake. So what I have to do is to take this intake off, put the black one on that has the two little bolts on it, then I can put the big carburetor on. But I don't want to put the big carburetor on just yet, because when you're doing this kind of work, what you want to do is you want to make one adjustment at a time. Get a baseline to figure out, does the motor work? Does it operate halfway okay? Because if you change two things, suppose you change the clutch and the variator waits and you get it started and you still got lag. Alright, is it the carburetor? Is it the clutch? Is it the variator? There's too many variables. Therefore, you've got to do it one at a time, and you have to be patient, which is a bitch when you want to ride. And I haven't ridden this in about 2 years, and today is an anniversary. I just looked on the calendar. 1 year ago today, I quit my bullshit slave job in the wood shop. The best thing I ever did.